What is going on, you guys? Today I'm out at the property. It's supposed to rain a little bit today. I went and picked up a Central Machinery plate compactor, and this is the Harbor Freight Special. I think I got it for like $630. It was on sale for $600. You pay for the Inside Track Club or whatever membership, and it brought almost $75 off, and I'll have the membership or whatever. So this seems to be a good price. Everything online, you want some professional thing. If you want to get professional ones, you're looking at like 1,500 plus. And what I need this for is our driveway. Mark did a nice job on our driveway, but it's not compacted. We have been driving it a little bit, and it is mud season, so it's starting to get a little mushy. So I figured we'd get this thing going. Also, we're gonna have to pour sonotubes at some point over here for each front and back porches. And there was some snow during backfill, so we just want to make sure it's compacted. So I might as well grab this thing, have it for the driveway and for that, and then future use. So the first thing you're gonna run into is it doesn't come with any oil. There's a little bit of oil in there, but it's on the low end of the dipstick. And if you do that, you'll avoid this warranty. So just pick up your 1030. Doesn't really tell you a capacity, but there's no way this engine is gonna take more than a quart. So let me get that in there and fold this arm out and put those wheels on. So this thing took almost a half a quart of oil. It's full. I put the, you need a couple wrenches to put your wheels on. And that's super nice and easy. Slides right through, a couple bolts, and that holds it up. So when you're using the machine, it's out of the way. And then this is just hand tighten these quick release things here. So it's got fuel in it. We have oil. We're going on. You gotta put the fuel on to the right, put the choke on, and you have your speed controller right here. So, all right, so I have this thing here idling, running nicely. And you can see in this driveway, we already have some divots just from driving through here. So it's pretty important that we get this straightened out before, you know, too much of this happens. This divot happened when I came to a stop here. It wasn't even that crazy. So I'll try to push this back into place, obviously, before I compact any of this. This, you know, it's not going to help your cause. But as you can see, I can easily move this gravel right now, and this is driveway pack. So I'm going to throw the camera down and let's see, I'll run a couple passes on one side and then one untouched. So So it's pretty wet out here. There's obviously going to be a little bit of, play. You can see this, but I think once it dries out a little bit, it's going to lock it nice and tight. This is a lot tighter than it was before I ran it over. So yeah, keep it up. All right, guys. So I got a good amount of the driveway done. As you can notice, when you kind of turn, it wants to grab a little bit, but that's not a huge deal. It's pretty compact. I just drove the tractor through here and you can't even see the printing on it. I do think it is too wet to do this. As you can see down here, this is like the wettest spot, obviously because there's a little bit of water pooling up over here. I did run it near the edge and it did get stuck in there. It was super hard to get out. I actually hooked it up to the tractor and lifted it out. Even the tractor just trying to lift, it was suctioned in there. And I had to turn it on to release the suction. Probably a good idea to wait for it to dry out a little bit. Probably hit this again and try to smooth out those spots before you're gonna hit it. But overall, I think it's worked pretty well. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. A couple things I do like about that, you know, the wheels in the back. A lot of machines don't have that. And then the cage on the top where you can lift it from the center balance point is definitely a plus, because a lot of those don't have that either.